What's up guys, welcome to car vlog number 1. It's the first car vlog. I'm only just coming up with this idea to make car vlogs. It's just basically me commuting to my college, or to the train station, so I can actually take a train to my college. And that's about it. I just talk about everyday things. So the weather, it's not great. It's a bit cloudy and it will probably rain at some point today. I'm going way under 40 right now. It's a school zone, so it's 40, and it is currently 8:09 a.m. Therefore, I have to drive a little slower. Okay, so we've reached the end of the school zone. That's ideal. So I'm thinking of making this like, I don't know, maybe a daily thing. I'm totally unsure at the moment. Just, I guess, experimenting with what I can do. State election is currently underway, therefore we'll be seeing quite a few campaigns. Campaign posters, signage, all kinds. Alrighty. Clear right. Oh, very clear right. Oh my god. Nothing on the road at the moment. Am I going to be the first at the station? So there's a certain time where pretty much everyone starts streaming into the station car park, and it's virtually impossible to get a spot. So it's why I go 10 past 8. And that's generally when... Oh, police. This is an interesting addition to the car vlog. Is everyone moving? Oh, that makes it fun. Oh, I see. The button's been mashed. Mashed? Oh, police. It's basically what happened back there. The button you push to activate or to notify the traffic lights that you are a pedestrian and you want to cross, it was coming off the actual pole, and I guess the police were responsible for taking care of that. I don't know, I mean, clearly. Well, we're nearly at the station. This is the commute. It's not long, I'll say that. It's very short. Apart from, you know, actually driving through the car park, that takes a bit of time. There's a lot of people behind me. Pretty sure they'll all be turning left. Like this person. I bet they're turning left. And that Camry up there. And my dash cam will occasionally just beep at... Yeah, it's turning left. Will occasionally just beep at me because it thinks that I'm traveling too close to the car in front of me. But the depth sensors, or I don't know what it uses to sense depth, they're not great. So let's talk about what car I've got. I've got a 2007 Hyundai Sonata NF in the colour burgundy. Beautiful colour, beautiful car. I'll say that. It's very reliable. It's very economical. I haven't filled it up since last year. I can say that because I filled it up on New Year's Eve 2020. So, yeah, it thinks I'm travelling close, which I am, but at 1 kilometre an hour. So the stop sign here, you just have to give way to the buses, but if you don't see a bus coming past, or coming through, you might as well just not stop, because otherwise you'll just be holding up traffic. So So I usually park up at the back because I know for a fact I'm not getting a spot close to the actual entrance to the station. So what am I studying? That's a good question. Studying graphic design, doing a diploma. This class is using After Effects, so that's fun. Motion graphics, I enjoy that. I turn left here. Make sure there's nothing coming past. Crosswalk, so just slow down and make sure no one wants to cross. Alright, oh, it's bumpy here. And then generally, if I turn this corner, I see nothing, I'm gonna cry. Oh, okay. So just down here is where I park. Alright, yeah, there's a... Oh no, that's just a Corolla. Okay. I park up here anyway, because I love the shade. The shade is just ideal for me. Why do I love the shade? I love the colour of my car, damn it. I'm not going to let anything happen to it. So I park in the shade just because I like to park in the shade. I'm just going to turn, go left into this one. This one right here where the tree, this dark tree is, this is my spot. I couldn't, and I've already got a leaf on my bonnet. I'm going to have to straighten up because I had no fucking room. Because there was something going past. Okay, let's just straighten up here. Don't know where the lines are, I'll be honest, I'm just guessing. Okay. Okay. That's that. That's the car vlog. Let's check where I am actually. Am I in the lines? Oh, a bit far to the right, but you know what? I think I'm going to be parking around here. So thanks for watching. It was enjoyable. I might do this more often. Alright. Time to get my headphones out because, you know, that's my thing. Got these Sony headphones. I think they're like, I'll show you what they actually look like. I'm not sure what they're called. They've got these lovely rose gold accents though. Yeah, Sony. But yeah, that's that. Again, thanks for watching. See you in the next car vlog if I make more.